Hey, come on in. We got another house tour or perhaps a hotel tour in Koh Samui, Thailand. So coming into our new space, you'll check out over here to your right. Here is the kitchen and what they have provided. Pretty simple stuff. There is not really too much except for a single burner and a water boiler. They give you some dishware and some cups. Obviously there's a sink to the left over here, but standard kitchen stuff, even a microwave. Please mind our mess. We're only here for one day, so we just scattered everything around. But moving over to your left, we'll have the bathroom over here. So inside the bathroom, check it all out. It has a pretty nice, spacious, large shower, and yeah, you pretty much shower in here, but you can kind of get a feel of what type of shower or bathroom this place has. So we can move on out and then check out the rest of the place, which is a pretty small living room. Small but cozy. Has a couch for you to be entertained by this single TV. But to be quite honest, I tried watching TV and it was very hard to get things set up. So I don't know how to get it working, but if you end up checking out this place, I'm sure you can figure it out. Out over here, we have our balcony, and looking down, you'll check out the swimming pool that you can swim in if you want to take a nice dip in the pool. If you look over there, there's a little bungalow where you can see people sleeping and resting. If you hear those little cat noises, there's a cat that we've named Riku, and very friendly cat. If you try to give it any attention, it will follow you around asking for food or just meowing at you. Not sure what. But coming back over here, we're going to move into our single bedroom, and you'll see that there's a king size bed, so really nice and spacious. We'll have a closet over here for you to put your stuff in, and then you have little drawers everywhere. I've used this drawer to store my wallet, so since we're about to leave, I'm gonna make sure I take this wallet back. And then there's another TV right here. And then if you want, there's a safe over here behind us that you could store your valuables in. I unfortunately locked it and I don't know how to open it again, so I'm gonna have to say good luck to the staff. But all right, that wraps up our tour because we need to head out and disappear. So see you all in the next one. Bye bye.